Okay, we're going to make rice noodle stir fry. You can get dry or fresh. So this is dry. You can get it at the Asian store. And sometimes you can find it at Walmart as well. But this is the thick rice noodle. Okay. Now you just want to put in warm water. Not super hot, but just warm water and let it soak. I have some warm water in the tea kettle. This is not hot, see, just warm. And we're going to let it soak until it softens. Okay, after 45 minutes in warm water, look at it becomes nice and soft, see? Just drain it and we will stir fry. We're going to make a pad thai sauce. And to get this right, a nice flavoring, you want to you can get tamarind paste and make it into a sauce. So this is what I'm doing. Or you can buy the pre-made sauce, pre-made tamarind sauce. So we're going to take this. I have a bowl of hot water here, and you can get this tamarind paste online, Amazon, or at any Asian grocery store. Okay, we're going to put in hot water and let it soak. And then we're going to extract the sauce from it. So it's in hot water now. I am just helping it along. Let it sit here. And then we can extract the juice. I put the water in the puree, the tamarind paste, in the microwave for a minute. And now you see how, look at that, how thick it is. And you just have to strain out the seeds. Every tamarind paste has a different strength of sourness. So you want to make sure not too sour. So that way you know how much to put in your sauce.
You can always do your own.
Okay, let's taste this. Okay, this one's not too sour, but it has a good strength. Okay, we have 3 tablespoons of tamarind sauce. It's just a blend of, a good blend of sour and sweetness that you want. 4 tablespoons of sugar. 4 tablespoons of fish sauce. A tablespoon rice wine vinegar. A tablespoon of lime juice. You can do fresh lime if you have it. Probably would be better. Now you want to mix everything together and taste it. See, you know, every cook is different. If you like it more sweet, more sour, it's up to you. So the key to good pad thai sauce is that you have to have it a nice blend of tart and sweetness to it. Okay, I'm going to do a little crushed red pepper in here, just a little bit. Okay, 2 tablespoons of oil and some garlic. We're going to saute some shrimp for our pad thai. You don't have to wait till the oil get hot. You can just put the garlic right in. You want to saute the garlic when it's lightly brown, because garlic will burn really quickly. See, lightly brown. Now add in your shrimp. 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. I'm using a Golden Mountain seasoning, like a soy sauce but light. About a teaspoon Chinese cooking wine, 2 tablespoons, and a tablespoon of rice vinegar, and just a teaspoon of sugar, not a lot. Now we're gonna cook until the shrimp is done. Shrimp it's really quick. You don't have to cook it too long; it'll become rubbery. Now you can do, if you don't like seafood, you can do chicken, beef, pork, whatever you like for a protein. You want to cook it ahead before you add it into your noodles. You want to cook it and season your protein as well. Excellent sauce, not too sweet and not too salty. Now we're going to take it off the heat. Okay, after I take out the shrimp, I add some more oil to the pan, and we're going to saute our onion. Okay, you want to caramelize your onion, and then we're going to add in mushroom. Now we're going to add our shiitake mushroom, or whatever mushroom you like. And I'm going to add some of the shrimp juice. When we did the shrimp, they're really good. Add a little more pepper. Mushroom doesn't take long to cook, especially shiitake. You can add just half teaspoon of soy sauce in here. A little go a long way. Mushroom will take on the flavor whatever we add to it. Add a little bit more oyster and a little more soy sauce. So like a teaspoon of each. Cooking is all about what you like. Now this is done. We just pour it in with the shrimp. Okay, add a little more oil and a little garlic. And now we're going to add our favorite vegetable, whatever you like. I like bok choy. Instead of bean sprout, I'm doing bok choy. I'm going to add some more of the juice from the shrimp to the shrimp juice. Now give it flavor. And this cooks really fast as well. Now I'm going to add the green part of the bok choy. And a tablespoon of oyster. And a tablespoon of soy, just to season it up. And a little black pepper. So you can saute any way you like. So just want to season it up a little bit. Now just taste, see if it's al dente enough for you, or you want to cook it a little longer. Just perfect. Now we'll mix all this together, so ready for your noodle. Okay, oil. I'm going to put garlic in. When it comes to noodles, you don't want to cook 1 to 2 portions at a time. Otherwise you get soggy noodles. Look at that, how the garlic wrap onto the noodle. Now we're going to add our sauce. And you want to cook it on high. This cooks really quickly. Add our egg. Okay, now we just turn it around. And saute our eggs in with our noodles. Now we toss some shrimps and vegetable in. And this is my version of pad thai. Here we're going to make a second batch of pad thai, but a twist to it. I'm going to add our oil. I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of the pad thai sauce. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. And another teaspoon of sugar. Get my sauce going before I add the noodles. And taste this. And I like a little color into it. It's pretty white, so I'm going to do a dark sweet soy sauce. A tablespoon. Give it some color. Now I'm going to add our noodle. Look at how beautiful the color is by adding a little the sweet dark soy. And we want the noodle to caramelize a little bit, so I'm going to let it sit for a few seconds and then we turn it. Okay, now we turn it. Let's taste. Perfect sweetness on top by adding the oyster in there. Now we can turn off the heat. You can add in, if you like scallion, add more scallions. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? And you can add peanuts. You know, the traditional pad thai has peanuts. So if you don't like peanuts, you don't have to. It's your dish. You do what you like. So this side, see the side with the peanuts? This is side that I saute with the eggs. And I didn't add any soy sauce at all. So you can see, because the egg caramelized it. Doesn't look that bad. And this side, I did not saute with eggs at all, but with a little soy sauce. So let's taste the original. Let's see. This one, I did not add any oyster sauce. Let's see how the one with no oyster sauce at all. And with eggs. The sourness really comes through, so you don't like it too sour. Cut it down. But it's delicious. And let's see this side. Let's test this side with the tamarind on oyster sauce and soy sauce. It's less sour. So, to me, I like this side better. I don't like it too sour. And the soy sauce and oyster really brings it well-rounded. So eat two together. So if I take both from this side and that side and put it together, let's see. Definitely tastes good. Or just reduce your tartness on the tamarind. Instead of 4 tablespoons, just do 3 or 2. It's up to you. But it's delicious. Let's eat with the shrimp. Making your own pad thai is so delicious. And you control the amount of salt and whatever veggie or protein you want. Bon appetit. See you in the next video.